zombies. Everybody's flocking towards them. How? That one. This felt like last year too. It's very nice. The C8 down there. Pretty clean. I like the C8 convertible right there. It's pretty nice.
I like the green one.
It's a CAR. Basically, it's just a sticker. Yeah. Oh, they literally had the dealership tag on it and everything too. The Viper RS6 right here. Very nice. I like this one. Old Jaguar. Jonathan would like that. That's my favorite car right there. Dodge Viper.
I learned from Porsche that they never allow black car.
Oh, the new GT3. Right here. Right here. Nice. This one's nice. I like that color though. The teal. Come over here a bit. Huh? Yeah, like a cream color. It's pretty good. Oh yeah, you don't want to open your hand. Wow, that's kind of weird. Look at that color, babe. Oh, interesting. Red inside, but.
That's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Basically, because I'm doing the
Oh, hey, this is like a $1.7 million car right here, but nobody even noticed it. It's 1,000 horsepower, by the way. Yeah, this one.
snakes. Snake.
I took a picture of that. I'm like, I like that. That's badass.
Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Hello, Alfa Romeo 4C. Not bad now. Let's go get Starbucks after this.
Oh, what do you think?
That's got some. The newer front lifts.
Oh,
That's cool. Look, baby. So whenever it turns on, this thing opens. These things open for air to cool. Yeah, that's cool.